And then i-ga-guide ko kayo kung paano ba i-acknowledge ang receipt required for Bill a Shopee affiliate. So kapag naka-receive ka ng ganitong email ni Shopee affiliate ay kailangan mo na yang i-acknowledge. So within 3 days ay kailangan natin yan i-accept para ma-process Shopee team yung commissions natin. Ayan, so kung paano ba yan gawin, i-open mo lang yung Shopee applications mo. And then dito lang sa baba ay select mo lang dito yung Meet Tab of Profile. And then dito sa ating homepage, Shopee profile. And then dito lang sa more activities, i-select mo lang dito yung affiliate program. And then dito sa ating affiliate program settings ay dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung income. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa ating income, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating mga commissions. And then kapag may nakita kang ganito na pending na may question mark dito nakalagay, and then i-click mo lang yan. And then dito na sa ating commissions income, so makikita mo dito yung receipt na pending acknowledge, okay? So ito yung kailangan natin gawin. So nandito lahat yung complete informations regarding dito sa ating commissions income, nandito yung income breakdown at marami pang ibang details dito. Ayan, so click mo lang dito yung pending acknowledge and then receipt and then pending acknowledge. So please acknowledge system generated receipt if it's correct for you, and you can also reject upload by yourself. If you don't know acknowledge or reject within 3 days, system will acknowledge for you automatically. Yan, so kapag nakalimutan mo dahil nga busy ka sa pag-Shopee affiliate mo, and then si Shopee na po yung mismong, yung system ni Shopee mismo ang mag-acknowledge in behalf mga kaibigan. Okay, so nandito naman yung system generated receipt, so pwede mong i-view yan. So pwede mong i-reject kung sa tingin mo ay may mali, so pwede mong i-reject pero mag-upload ka ng sarili mong receipt mga kaibigan. And then dito lang sa right side sa baba makikita mo dito yung acknowledge, so click mo lang yan. And then confirm acknowledge, so after acknowledgement the receipt generated by system is legally equivalent to the receipt provided by you, and then click mo lang dito yung confirm. Ayan, so acknowledge successfully, and then back lang tayo and then refresh. And then makikita mo na dito na receipt acknowledge. And then hintay lang natin na makomplete, so matransfer dito sa ating Shopee Pay account. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple, and thanks for watching.